this 2P10 glue, this time it's thick, has been always with me while doing any carpentry tasks. It's good. I can use it for making templates, joining all the tricky little pieces. I find uses for this every day. It works especially well when used with the PVC or AZAC exterior products. It bonds it really well. Just a small warning, before you apply it to the material, make sure that it doesn't do any damage to it, especially this activator. I have learned the wrong way myself, putting the trim around some powder coated exterior doors and spraying my trim with the activator, accidentally hitting the door material, which made it corrode, and it was a little problem. So make sure that you test the material, finished material, before, like a little sample piece, before applying these products. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and I will make more videos like this.